Welcome back, folks. My name is Eric Peters. I am a project manager for the Edge AI and Vision Alliance. I'm very pleased to announce that we have Sreepada Hegade here from Lattice Semiconductor. He's the director of ML Software and Solutions. Sreepada has 25 years of experience working with FPGAs. He's very passionate about enabling the adoption of FPGAs, and he is going to talk to us about why it is critical to have an integrated development methodology for FPGAs and for Edge AI. Please welcome Sreepada Hegade.
Thanks, Eric. So it's really good to be here in this event and talking to so many people with same passions about Edge AI and things like that. So today I'll be talking about some of the methodology and why it is important to consider everything as an integrated solution rather than looking at bits and pieces, because there are so many components involved while enabling the Edge AI. So that's what we will be talking in this presentation, right? So basically, if you look at Edge AI advancement, right? So just looking at the industry, so many things are happening. And I'm attending this conference for some time now, and I remember the early days, and still, like everyone was, how long this will take, really, because we were doing small demos and things like that. Everyone was wondering, are we doing the right thing and things like that. But today, we are not discussing that. There's a widespread adoption already that has happened in the industry across different market segment, right? So you look at any market segment, consumer, industrial, automotive, anything that you name it, there is a Edge AI basically being adopted based on the vision particularly. There's a widespread adoption, right? And then a lot of technology advancement has happened. Like the models really has shrunk, right? So on one side, people talk about large language models and things like that, but there is a lot of research and activity going on to reduce the model size, to make it more and more compact, right? So that is what is enabling the Edge AI. It's not the large models, right? So Edge AI is about small models, how to get it more compact, how to make it more smaller, and those kind of things is what is driving Edge AI advancement. And a lot of benefits has been realized, right? So in the Edge AI, so compared to cloud-based things and things like that. So people always talked about the security, reliability, and all these power-based kind of things. All these benefits that everyone was talking few years back is a reality today, right? So everyone has built the product making best use of all these advantages of Edge AI. And today it's almost 18.7 billion market as we speak, right? So it's a huge industry and it's growing, right? So exponentially.